You are going to love 2021
Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, tires front all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.